I said nothing but nice vibes this Sunday. Shout out to the friends of mine all the way down south in Greek. All up to this afternoon, right?
Have a temporary jig set up here for the installation process. Make it a little bit easier. That's for roof work construction. That as well. The Maslow in action as well today. Alright, let's sit up for my people.
So let me make sure we expert your way,
There you go. I'm used to a system a little bit better. Make things go smoothly. But it is what it is. You got to make lemonade, right? Getting ready to cut the third one. Trying to get the edge up there, but I'm too tall, way too tall. Hydrate. I see dragonflies flying around. When you see them, don't kill them. Plant flowers and stuff that attract them. Each dragonfly is responsible for killing 100 mosquitoes. Dragonfly and needle case are the same thing. Didn't do this though. This part right here, I didn't do that. Thought that it would be pretty cool to capture.